Happy New Year to all the aspirant concerned and welcome to you all in Kanha Math classes for 12th Math based on NCERT syllabus concerning to CBSE board. In the continuation of previous videos recording the area of region bounded between two curves, here we have to calculate the area or region bounded in between two curves as I have stated on the blackboard. X square plus y square is equal to 4, or in terms of standard equation of circle, x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 2 square. That is equation number 1. And second, x plus y is equal to 2 or x by 2 plus y by 2 is equal to 1, having part on x and y axis is equal to 2 and 2, that is equal to radius of the circle. If you trace the circle, you will find the center 0 0 and radius this OA is equal to 2, or the coordinate of the point 2, point A will be equal to 2 0. Similarly, OB will also be the radius, and hence the coordinate of B will be 0 2. And this is the equation of AB. X plus y equal to 2 is the equation of a straight line AB having a clear cut division on x and y on 2 and 2 only. Now we have already cleared the point of intersection of AB and circle is 0 2. Hence we have not to find out or calculating the point of intersection, because in tracing it has been already cleared the coordinates of point A, B. Now the area required is the shaded area. Area required is equal to shaded area If we will take a small strip, narrow strip on shaded area, take a narrow strip in the shaded area, delta y, that is equal to y2 minus y1, and width is equal to dx. Hence the area required concerned or region bounded in between the curves 1 and straight line 2 A will be equal to limit from 0 to 2 y2 minus y1 dx. This y2 is the value of y based in the equation of circle. Y1 is the value based on the straight line x plus y plus 2. This will be equal to 0 to 2 y2 means here y square is equal to 4 minus x square and y is equal to under root 4 minus x square, and y1 means 2 minus x, 2 minus x, and this is dx. Here the integral of the form under root a square minus x square will be equal to x by 2 under root a square minus x square plus a square by 2, that is 4 by 2 sine inverse x by a, that is 2, and minus 2 minus x, this is 2x, integral of minus x square by 2, whole lower limit 0 and upper limit 2, lower limit 0 and upper limit 2. By substituting the upper limit, that is replacing x from 2, we have get here 2 by 2, and here 4 minus 2 square, this will be 0, 4 by 2 means 2 sine inverse 2 by 2 minus 2x means 2 into 2 minus 2 square by 2, and similarly applying the lower limit, this will be 0 and this will be 0, 0, 0, hence 0 minus 0 this will be 0, 2 sine inverse 1 minus 4 minus 2, this will become 2 sine inverse 1 pi by 2, 4 minus 2 minus 2, or a is equal to 2 will be cut by 2 pi minus 2. This is the requisite area of the region bounded in between two curves, and option is B. Correct option is B. Now in question number 7, here you have given e square equal to 4x, a parabola positive along x-axis, and here a line y equal to 2x, straight line. If you want to trace the straight line, parabola may be traced like this, as I have already traced in figure, and if you want to trace the straight line, x, y, 0, y0, 1, y2, 2, 4. First of all, point of intersection of of curve 1 and straight line 2, we get y means 2x. 2x square is equal to 4x, or here 4x square minus 4x is equal to 0. If you take common here 4, this will be x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Since 4 can't 0, hence x square minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to plus minus 1. Y is equal to, taking positive value of 1 means 1 into 2, that is 2, or 1, 2. 1, 2, here this will be 1, 2, point A. And for negative value, y is equal to minus 1 into 2 is equal to minus 2, or 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, this is point B. Now area shaded, is equal to 2, and if you take a small strip here to limit from 0 to 1, y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1 dx is equal to 2 times 0 to 1. y2 means here 2x by 2, 2x 1 by 2, y1 means 2x. Here is the equation of parabola. y2 means y square is equal to 4ax, means 2 root x. 2 root x, here 2x 1 by 2, and y1 means this straight line 2x and dx. If you take common here 2, this will be equal to A is equal to, area A is equal to, here we will 2, and this is x 3 by 2 into 2 by 3 minus 2x square by 2 is equal to 4 by 3, 0 to 1, 4 by 3 4 by 3 minus 1 equal to 4 minus 3 by 3, that's 1 by 3. This is the required and requisite answer of the area concerned. Thank you for watching the video. Please share, comment and subscribe the video. Many thanks to you.